Hey guys, happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick clean with me before me and the kids go to the park, so that way when we come home I can relax and I don't have to clean. I'll just be chilling and relaxing for the evening. So I just wanted to bring you guys along as I do a quick cleaning and give you guys some almost end of the week motivation to go ahead and get your house together and clean for the weekend. If you guys are joining along for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join my family here. I would love to have you join along. Without further ado, let's get right into this cleaning.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Crazy, oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Together, you, oh, you. I keep wishing and wishing Movies make it look.
And that completes today's speed cleaning. This is just a quick tidying up, just something that I do if I have plans for the day and I don't want to come home and have to clean, so it was fast. All in all, this took me less than an hour. The longest part is usually always the dishes, and they weren't too bad. I just had a couple pans from the night before's dinner and just some cups and stuff from this morning. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. I upload 4 times a week, you guys, so I'm always uploading and I'm always giving content out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.